My name is Naveen. For the first assignment, I have chosen the vehicle Alto 800 2016 model. Before going to the vehicle, let us see what are resistive load, inductive load, and capacitive load. Let me start with resistive load. Resistance is generated when current passes through an element that converts power to heat, placing a corresponding electrical load on the power source. Resistive load can produce precise amount of load at power factor equaling 1. Resistive heating results from the friction of forcing electrons to a large current through a conductor. Resistive elements use conductors manufactured of high resistance metals such as nickel chromium alloy that can quickly transfer heat to surrounding air. When these wound in helical pattern, they provide surface area for transferring heat. Maximizing surface area increases the amount of heat can be dissipated by load element of a given size. This characteristics is known as watt density. Arranging multiple load elements in an enclosure provides the necessary amount of load for an application. Example, in automobiles like heatings, like rear window heating, seat heating, glow plug, air preheating, etc. are of resistive load types. In resistive load, current curve of resistive loads is specified by the load voltage and load resistance. Now, let's come to the inductive load. These are also known as reactive load elements. Inductance, that is, wire coils create inductive fields. The power used to create and maintain these fields places corresponding load onto the power source or distribution system. In contrast to resistive loads, inductive load inductive load, current follows a sinusoidal pattern that peaks after the voltage sine wave. So the maximum, minimum, and 0 points for voltage changes are out of phase with current changes. Consequently, inductive coils produce lagging power factors. Inductive elements are constructed of copper, that is copper wire wound on molded nylon bobbins. That this provides maximum coil to ground insulation. The wire is gauged to provide an inductive power factor of 0.05 or less. High temperature reinforced insulation is positioned between each layer of the windings to maintain coil-to-coil insulation. The bobbins are mounted on a ferrous core constructed of iron lamination. When compared to resistive elements, inductive load elements generate very little heat. Example, solenoids. In automotive, maybe solenoid valves, relay coils, motors, pumps, like power window motors, cooling fan motors, etc. Now let us see capacitive load. Capacitor are the equipments that store electrical charge. Because these devices store surplus charge and resist changes in voltage. They, they cause this causes current to peak before voltage during electrical cycles. As a result, capacitive loads provide a leading power factor and are often used to adjust power factor to simulate loads during power system test events. Capacitors store electrical charge in metallic materials placed between insulators. The most common capacitors store charge on metallized polypropylene film. while some other metallized polyester film. While industrial load capacitors, which are used in industries, uh, utilize oil-filled welded metal case with large diameter and low-profile input bushings. Typically, when using oil-filled designs, capacitive elements absorb and store electrical charge to create capacitive load. The bushings provide minimum inductance for fast discharge and high frequency response. Capacitive loads have high inrush current and low steady current. Example, filter capacitors that is used in electronic modules such as ABS module or engine management module. Now I'll come back to my selected vehicle, that is Alto 800. Alto 800 is 796cc FAT engine. That is, FAT engine is a 0.8 liter naturally aspirated 3-cylinder unit. This gasoline engine in Alto is capable of producing a maximum power output of 35 kilowatt at 6000 rpm, and it also provides peak torque of 69 newton meter at 3500 rpm. This car comes with manual transmission that is equipped with 5-speed gearbox, and this is for a front wheel drive vehicle. Uh, for comfort and convenience, it has power steering, front power windows, air conditioner, and heaters. Coming to brake system, it has solid disc type brake at front side and drum type at rear side. Vehicle can reach 0 to 100 km per hour speed at 19 seconds. Now let us see the resistive, capacitive, and inductive loads in this vehicle. First of all, the vehicle comes with a 12-volt battery and 12-volt 28Ah battery. The alternator used is 42.2 to 14.2 to 14.8 volt at 40 amps that produce at 18,000 rpm. This is characterized as this comes under inductive load. It also has AC/DC converter. The design of this converter is usually the design of alternating current type is built in with rectifiers and a voltage regulator to match the generator output to the electric load, and also to charging the requirements of the battery regardless of the engine speed. And first of all, the starting motor. Normally, the starting motor, solenoid actuators, ignition system, or wiper motors, and music system speakers. These all are inductive loads, and all runs with the needs 12 volt, but the power of each changes. See, like power changes from 0.6 kilowatt, 6 kilowatt to up to 96 watt. 0.6 kilowatt is consumed at start wise, and solenoid actuators uses 96 watts, while horn uses 100 watts. And also wiper motors are uses less than 50 watts. Music system speakers uses 50 watt. We see at lamps, like all the lights are resistive loads. That is because of the resistance, it works. The headlight, turn signal light or side turn signal light, brake light or tail light. All in this signal light uses 5 watt power, or while others uses the headlight uses maximum power of up to 55 to 60 watts, and all these are comes under resistive loads. In this vehicle, I observed that also that capacitive load is like engine management module. We can say that engine management module is the example of capacity load in Alto 800. That's how the that's all that's are the these are the inductive loads, resistive loads, and capacity loads in Alto 800. Thank you.